not gonna lie, I think this is the biggest empties video I've ever done. So bearing that in mind, we are literally gonna dive straight in because otherwise we will be here for an age. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna show you them all together because I have a problem. And I actually have refills of all of this in my shower currently. So this is the Aussie Miracle blonde, you know, purple shampoo range. I absolutely love this stuff. It gives my hair such a nice tone. It doesn't tone it too much. It is very bright purple, and I do just kind of, I wash it and then I just rinse it out. I don't particularly leave it sitting on my hair for very long, maybe a minute max. I mean, quite frankly, otherwise I get bored. I love this stuff. Leaves my hair really soft, really shiny, tones it beautifully, smells amazing, and is really affordable. So for me, all of the boxes ticked. The other blonde shampoo that I have been using, and I actually used this because when my husband went in to buy this one, then he couldn't find it, bless him. So he got me this one instead, and it is the Provoke Touch of Silver Brightening Shampoo. This was fine, I just didn't find that it left my hair as soft. It also didn't smell as good. So, but super, super affordable and didn't do a bad job. It's just that if I had a choice, I would go for the Aussie basically every time. My love for this product is well documented. The TRESemme Heat Defense for All Hair Types Care and Protect Spray. I love this because it is so lightweight. I have actually I've gone back to using, a slightly more moisturizing heat protectant just because I'm trying to grow the layers of my hair out. So obviously when the last couple of times I've had it trimmed, she hasn't taken as much of the layers, so the ends of them were looking a little bit, a little crispy. So I've been using a slightly more moisturizing one, but I love this. If you have thin hair or hair that gets weighed down by product very, very easily, give this a go because it is really, really lightweight, like fine mist, which is lovely. I honestly don't know if this worked or not. I'm a bit of a skeptic when it comes to dry shampoos because I'm like, well, I mean, did it work or I don't know, I suppose they do, I don't know. I'm very confused about the whole affair. But this is the Blossom Infusion Dry Shampoo CBD Alchemist. Now I think I got this from Tesco. Honestly, I can't exactly remember, it was a long time ago, but this has CBD in it. So if you are somebody that finds that CBD is really, really good for you and it helps with any anxiety or that kind of thing, great to have it in something that you are going to be breathing in whether you like it or not. I mean, I didn't find that I particularly noticed a difference when I was using this, but it did smell really good and it did work okay. Kind of boring, but shower gel. This is my absolute favorite original source one, and it's the creamy vanilla and raspberry one, and I love this. It smells absolutely incredible, and again is very, very, very affordable, but I don't find this super, super drying. My skin gets very dry very easily. Bit too much information, and I just find that this didn't exacerbate the problem. Plus, like I say, smells absolutely delicious. I almost wasn't going to show this because I was like, is that just a bit embarrassing? This, when it is not chopped in half so that I can scrape out every last morsel of product, is the Hot Cloth Cleanser from Aldi. This is and remains my favourite cleanser. I am using a significantly more expensive cleanser at the moment and I am really enjoying it. It's lovely. Stay tuned for a favourites video to find out what that is. But this is as good and it is a fraction of the price, and yes, I love it so much that I cut it in half. Another Aldi product, and this is their Caviar Illumination Anti-Age Night Cream. And this is a gorgeous product. It is really strongly scented though, so if you are sensitive to fragrance in your skincare products, then this is not the one for you, but it is lovely. I really like the smell of it, and also it's just a really lovely consistency, very luxurious. It's a really nice experience to use. The packaging is also lovely. It's really heavy, it's glass, and yeah, I just think Lacura smashed it out of the park with this one. Another moisturising product, and I've actually featured this quite a lot on my channel, nearly dropped it, and honestly, I know I'm only like a teeny baby channel, but I'm almost like campaigning for Body Shop to see this, because this is the Whipped Body Butter Vanilla Pumpkin, I don't know, yeah, their body moisturiser, but it's the whipped one. And I don't think they make whipped body moisturisers anymore. And if I could design my perfect body moisturizer consistency, it would be the Body Shop whipped body butter range. Whenever I go into the shop, they don't have it. And they had a raspberry one of this, which was, oh my, honestly, I should have bought 10. I should have just stocked up and committed. So Body Shop, if there's anybody that has any connection with Body Shop, please talk to them. Make them bring it back, please. Speaking of Body Shop, this is their Banana Truly Nourishing Shampoo. I do really enjoy this, and when I first started using it, I really enjoyed it. At the moment, I'm still using my Wild Mint shampoo and conditioner and then my purple shampoo like once a week, but it's really good and it really smells like banana. So if you really enjoy that, then fill your boots. Now this is another moisturizer from Lacura, and I love Aldi's Lacura range. I just think for the price point, I am absolutely staggered. This I actually found a little bit too intense. So this is the Aloe Nourish Body Lotion 24 Moisturisation. I did use it all, so you know, not bad in any way, shape or form, but I did actually find it a little bit too heavy for just kind of all over the body. So I tended to use that one more just like on knees, elbows, feet, that kind of thing, and just somewhere you want a little bit more. So for this next one, I'm going to show you the one I used up and then the one I bought to replace it. This is the Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm with Natural Pawpaw. This is my secret weapon when it comes to keeping dry, cracked heels at bay. I get it really badly. Like my heels can easily crack and that's so painful. But if I put this stuff on every day, like every morning when I get out the shower, it completely just doesn't, like that probably isn't even a problem for me. And then obviously used all that up, so I spotted this in Aldi. Now do not be scared by the red tube, it is not tinted red. I kind of bought it on a bit of a, if it is tinted red then I'll just use it as lip balm and everybody's happy, but it's not, it's just clear like normal. And this is the Lacura Pawpaw Ointment Multi-Purpose blah 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 blah, and it's basically the same thing. Now I actually need to get this back again. I actually think the Aldi one is better. It's got a nicer smell to it, and I actually also think it does a better job. The only annoying thing is that it only comes in this very small tube, so I do get through it quite quickly, but yeah, I actually think the Aldi one is better. So if you're weighing the two up, genuinely, I would go for the Aldi one. I have a full one in my drawer right now. Last thing from Aldi, and you've heard me talk about this a million times, it is their Refreshing Face Wash Gel. This stuff is incredible. Best face wash like I've ever used. Not like a take your makeup off kind of face wash, but I use this every morning and it is the absolute best. The consistency, the fragrance or lack thereof, the way it cleans your skin, it doesn't strip, it is actually just really gentle. It's just, oh, it's just perfect. And it's like £1, so fair play. Next up we have a serum, and this is a niacinamide serum, and I actually cannot find the company. It's just like a swirly bee. Sorry. But this is a Korean skincare product and it is absolutely gorgeous. I got it from TK Maxx. I just went in there looking for niacinamide serums, found this, and it was absolutely lovely. Back on the Body Shop hype, and I love their little hand creams. I have one of these in my handbag at all times, and this is their Body Shop Coconut Hand Cream. Now normally I don't really like coconut scents, but I did like this, which I feel like says quite a lot. So yes, it is completely and utterly bled dry, and yes, like I say, I have backups because running out of that would be an actual disaster. Now this is an empty of probably the weirdest product I've ever used in my entire life. So this is another Korean skincare product, and it is their Elizavecca Milky Piggy is the brand, apparently. I mean, that's all I can see. Anyway, and it is their retinol cream, and it's their like an elastic cream. Now I scraped this bad boy dry, and it is it's like PVA glue, the consistency. But then it just sinks into the skin and it's lovely, and you only need the tiniest bit. Now the only reason I have not repurchased this is because the only place I could find it was Yes Style, and it just takes too long to arrive. So I'm currently using a different retinol, which again I got from TK Maxx, and it's lovely. But if you are doing a Yes Style order, I would urge you to add this, because like I say, it lasted me for about 6 months, I would say, and I was putting it on every evening. I found this quite a gentle retinol, so I found that I could use it every evening without any bother. Okay, the last two things, I'm trying to like whip through this as fast as I can. And the first one is a hyaluronic acid face serum, and this is by Rata & Co, New Zealand Naturals. I loved using this. It's a very light gel, so it just kind of felt really cooling and soothing on the skin, particularly if you just come out of a shower, which is probably a little bit hotter than is technically good for you. I like hot shower. And your face is a little bit red, then this just felt lovely and soothing. And then finally we have this eyeliner from Stila, and this is their Stay All Day Smudge Stick Root. Oh my goodness. Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. And I have this in the shade grey. Absolutely gorgeous. I love a grey eyeliner. I find that it makes my shade of blue eyes just really stand out. So I absolutely love it. And it is completely and utterly gone, which is very sad because it wasn't super cheap, so I've been putting off buying a new one. But yes, I will buy a new one because this was lovely. And those are all my empties. I really hope you have enjoyed having a little rummage through my now to be recycled recycling with me, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, then please do give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.